In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add hashtags on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so let's get started. And first off, open up YouTube app. And after you are logged in, tap add to library, then your videos. That will show you the list of all the videos on your channel. And after that, all you have to do, in order to add hashtags to some video description, tap right here at 3 dots, then edit, and then tap add description. After that, first off, type in hashtag symbol and then enter your hashtag. You can enter the entire text by yourself.
Type in the text manually.
Or you can select some from suggested after that. Tap right here, and then don't forget to hit at save. That's how you can easily add hashtags on YouTube. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video. And see you in the next one.